Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So starting off the video by middle parting my hair and taking some hair from the crown section. Here I'm creating some puff and secure this with a bobby pin. This makes the crown section more voluminized. And now I'm leaving some hair from the front section. This part is totally optional. You can skip this part if you want to. Now make two equal sections rest of your hair and create normal 3-strand braid with each section. And secure these braids with a rubber band at the end. Once you are done, just tie the two braids together like so and secure this with U-pins. Use some good quality U-pins instead of bobby pins. Now the hairstyle is almost done. Take the hair strands from the front section and line them over the bun which we have just created. And secure them with some bobby pins. Now to add some pop, add any kind of hair accessories. Here I'm adding this one and that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.